In today's video, I'm going to teach you cloning objects using object mode in Cinema 4D 2023 with the cloner. We'll start by setting up the object you want to duplicate. This is your source object, and it can be anything, simple geometry or a modeled asset. Next, create a cloner by going to the MoGraph menu and choosing Cloner. In the Object Manager, drag your source object into the cloner so it becomes a child. This tells Cinema 4D that the cloner will handle the duplication and placement of that object. Now create your target object. This is the object whose geometry will control where the clones appear. It could be a sphere, a cube, or a custom mesh. Think of the target as a distribution map. The cloner will look at this object and place your source accordingly. Select the cloner in the Object Manager. In the Attributes Manager, head to the Object tab. Change the mode to Object. This switches the cloner from simple linear or grid-based patterns to geometry-driven placement. Then, drag your target object from the Object Manager into the Object field in the cloner's attributes. As soon as you do, you'll see the clones conform to the target's geometry. Under Distribution in the Object tab, choose how you want the clones positioned. Surface will scatter clones across the target's polygons, great for covering an object evenly. Vertex will place a clone at each vertex, useful for mesh-based layouts. Edge will position clones along edges, which is helpful for outlines or frameworks. Volume fills the interior space of the target, ideal for point clouds or dense fills. To refine how each clone looks, switch to the Transform tab of the cloner. Here you can adjust position, rotation, and scale for every clone at once. If you're cloning onto a surface and the orientation looks off, tweak the rotation, especially the P-rotation, to align clones correctly with the target's surface direction. For example, if you're cloning a pin onto the surface of a model, set Mode to Object. Choose Surface for distribution and then adjust the P rotation so each pin faces outward as expected. Small tweaks here go a long way toward achieving a clean, intentional look. That's the workflow. Define the source, set up the cloner, assign the target, choose the distribution mode, and dial in the transform settings for orientation and scale. With these steps, you can quickly populate any geometry with precise, controllable clones.